Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to record your laptop screen, capture your laptop screen in Windows 8. So for the recording purpose, we are going to use OBS tool. Okay, so let's get started. First we'll go to Google and search for OBS and hit enter. Here you'll see a link for Open Broadcaster software. Go to the download link. On this page you'll have two options for downloading the installer. One is for 32-bit and one is for 64-bit, so you can download accordingly. Once you click on that, your download will be started. It will take max 2-3 minutes to get downloaded. Okay, so I'll cancel as I've already downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you can find the exe file in your downloads folder. Here I have my exe file in my desktop folder. So it will be an exe file, OBS Studio full installer. Okay, so double click on this exe file and your setup wizard will open to install the studio. You can click on next and finish and your installation will be completed. Okay, so once you install the tool, your tool will be visible something like this. Okay, so here we have multiple options. So first is scenes. Okay, so scenes is you have to add a scene to capture, otherwise you will have a blank screen. So if I just select scene, you will see a blank screen. If I select a newly created scene, then you can see the window. So you can create by clicking plus button. The next is sources option. So here you can add multiple sources you have available for whatever you want. As I wanted to capture my laptop screen, so I've selected display capture. You can select any other. If you want to capture a browser or game or any other media source, then you can use all these options. Okay, next is audio mixer. So in audio mixer you have two options, mic and desktop audio. So if you want to record your own audio, you can set mic to max. Okay, and if you want desktop audio, you can set the desktop audio to max. Here you have settings for both. So one commonly used setting is filters. So here in filters you can add multiple filters. So like I have added noise suppression filter for cutting out the background noise. So all you have to do is go to this black area, right click, add, select whatever filter you want. Okay, so like I have added this, so I can set the suppression level. Okay, next is controls. So you have controls here to start and stop recording. Okay, then once you stop recording, you can go to file and select show recordings and you will find all your recordings. Okay, also in settings option, if there is a hotkeys setting. Okay, so for every action you can set your hotkey for whatever you want and you can add multiple hotkeys. Okay, so it makes it easier to record. And in output option you have the path where you are storing your recording files with your recording format or extension, so you can change that if you want. Okay, and yeah, so that's it. This is how you can record your laptop screen or any other recording that you want to do, like your browser or your game or your any media or your text or anything, then you can record it with this tool. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much.